I started my career as a tattoo artist, and wanting to know the technical application and inner workings of the tattooing more in depth led me to start building tattoo machines. It mainly started as a hobby and something that was able to help me sharpen my skills as a tattoo artist. And that, I would say, quickly led into a whole nother world of mechanics and fabrication and machine theory, and that has brought me to where I am today. My favorite tattoo machine frame has always been a Bulldog. I really like the way that they look and perform, and that has kind of been my driving force with design. There are other frame styles that I build and geometries, but for the most part, the Bulldog is my favorite. A lot of my inspiration comes from the older tattooers, just respecting that generation and understanding what they went through to give us what tattooing is today has really helped me appreciate more how tattoos were done and how the future is headed. The values that I hold in the highest respect for how I manufacture tattoo machines really comes down to just being smart about how I resource the material. I typically make all the parts in-house when I can, and I do that because I can trust the process in-house. So that's going to be a value that I give to Feldman Manufacturing that helps us be better daily.